Hi, my name is Yeda Besh.
My name is Richie Thomas.
I'm Heidi Alonso.
My name is Vito Pereira.
And this is Stress of Students.
Enjoy.
So this is our capstone. It's a project for our social studies class, and it's basically just us helping other people out, and yeah.
Yes. So we interviewed some students and asked them about their stress and why they have it and stuff along those lines, and we recorded it and stuff. And that's it.
Here's our result on our polls and interviews.
Before we show our interviews, we will first individually share some more information we found while doing our research beforehand. Why does the stress of students hit some of them the hardest? Well, you see, stress is very important to take care of because some kids can become too overwhelmed by stress and don't know how to take care of it themselves. Some of the symptoms of stress are they feel very angry, very worried, feel grief, and they use alcohol and drugs, feel depressed, and that's it. What are the common causes of stress, which is upcoming tests, too much homework, a heavy workload, lack of organization, too little downtime, poor sleep schedule, participation in class, lack of support, transitioning to a new environment, classes that are too hard, and changes to routine.
How it's being dealt with. To quote the article itself, talk about it. Talk with a trusted adult. Helps students feel they do not carry the burden of stress alone. Encourage your children to discuss their feelings but refrain from telling them how they should feel. Ask open-ended questions which require more than a yes or no response. Remember to listen. Parents who spend twice as much time listening as they do giving advice are more effective. Here are some involved groups that have to do with stress. So there's like an American Psychological Association, and they found that nearly half of the teens in a school are stressed with pressure and stuff.
What is stress? Stress is a signal sent to your body that danger is near, whether it be real or imagined. How does stress affect the body? General adaptation syndrome is what the body experiences when reacting to stressors. Usually when the body experiences this, it first goes through an alarm reaction, which occurs when someone first senses danger. It usually begins at the brain when the hypothalamus is activated by a frightening experience. Nerve signals are sent from the hypothalamus to the adrenal glands. When sent to the adrenal glands, the medulla stimulates and releases hormones. When released, one of the hormones, adrenaline, increases heart and breathing rates and sends more blood pressure with sugar, which increases the delivery of blood oxygen and food to the active muscles.
Now that that's done, we will now show screenshots of some of our polls and their results. Vitor set them up and requested that some of the 6th and 7th grade teachers have their students take them when they have the time. This is the information that we got back. Those were our polls. Now that you've got an idea of what causes stress in the students of our school, we will now showcase our interviews that we did on some students to find more specific details.
Okay, we're here to interview you about if you have stress because Capstone. Tell me. Okay, what is stress to you?
Stress to me is like anxiety and overwhelmedness.
Okay. Do you happen to be stressed out?
Yes.
Do you have to pinpoint a reason why?
Why? Because like too much homework, too much classwork, and family reasons.
Do you know how do you cope with this stress? Like, do you know how to work with it?
Yes.
Could you explain?
Yeah. Like sometimes I'll keep myself busy and distracted to try not to think about it. step-by-step process for homework, do one
Uh-huh.
paper at a time. Otherwise, I will get overwhelmed.
Well, do you happen to be stressed out by your peers? Anyone in particular, or
Yes. Too much people
around you?
around.
Hi there, everybody. We're here today with Alan by the window,
Hello.
and we have a few questions here for you that are about stress, and I would like you to answer them.
Okay. Yes.
So, answer question 1, which is, what is stress to you?
Stress is like when life is hard and difficult. Like, yeah.
All right, good answer. And the second question is, do you experience stress?
Yes. A lot.
Oh, that sucks. Question 3, what do you think is the main reason people get stressed?
When something is hard or difficult to do, like French class.
True. Question 4, does school make you feel stressed, and why?
Yes, because everything is hard.
What things are hard?
School.
Okay.
French.
All right, good
Sorry,
answer.
Miss Manetta.
Question 5, how do you deal with stress?
I go to sleep, eat. Yeah, I don't think about it.
Question 6, do you happen to be stressed out by your peers?
No.
Oh, family?
Yes.
Why?
Because my sister's annoying.
Oh,
And it's difficult to get along with her.
we wanted to let Alan eat his lunch, so we let that slide.
Today, we have brought you here to interview you for our Capstone project, and I will ask you a few questions and answer as best you can. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, what is stress to you?
School
School?
and homework
Mm-hmm.
and projects.
Uh-huh. And do you experience stress?
Yeah.
Like, on what level would you say out of
not a
like 1 to
lot.
10?
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
No.
Like a 5, maybe less.
Yeah, 5.
Okay. What do you think is the main reason people get stressed out?
Work or school.
Work or school? Huh? Does school make you feel stressed?
Yeah, because sometimes I don't finish my homework in time, so I have to finish it in class.
How do you deal with stress?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't have any method?
No.
Like ASMR,
No.
squishies? Your dog?
Yeah, my dog.
Okay. Do you happen to be stressed out by your peers, family?
No.
Not really?
No.
Not a lot?
No, not at all.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi. Today we brought you here to get interviewed for our capstone for stress. All right?
Yes.
All right. So, what is stress to you?
It's very bad.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you experience stress?
Sometimes,
Like,
like during tests,
what do you think is the main reason people get stressed out?
because they have to like try to do something, and if they like do it bad, it can be like very bad for them if they like mess it up or something.
Do you feel like school makes you stressed out?
Yes, 100%.
100%?
100%.
All right. How do you deal with the stress? Like,
Just don't think it's there.
just forget it?
Just forget about it.
All right. And do you happen to be stressed out by your peers,
Nope.
family,
Nope.
friends,
Nope.
lovers?
Nope. Teachers.
And that is all. Thank you.